At this particular stoplight, we want to make a left turn. And then when the light turns green and we have oncoming traffic, sometimes the applicant doesn't realize that they have to wait for oncoming traffic before they can make their left turn.
If they have a green protected arrow, then they know that the car that's coming is supposed to stop. So when they see a solid green light, they think of the rule of a green arrow. They think, okay, my light is green, I'm going to go, this guy should be stopping, and he doesn't stop. When it's a green signal and you're going to make a left turn, you have to yield to the car that's coming.
You need to edge out into the middle of the intersection, wait for all oncoming traffic to go through, whether they're turning or going straight, and wait for the pedestrians to cross. Then complete your left turn in a safe manner.
Don't worry if you're in the intersection when the light turns red. You've entered legally on a green light, so other traffic has to wait for you to clear before they can proceed.
Some of the most common mistakes that drive test applicants make are crosswalks. Okay? When you come to an intersection, they go right in the crosswalk, and next thing you know, there's 2-3 people standing, on the corner wanting to cross. The whole point of the crosswalk is you have to stop behind the line. Then you check for pedestrians, right or left, and then if there's no pedestrians, you can move up into the crosswalk after that, so you can see around the corner. And you look, and then if everything's good, you keep going.
You need to understand the right of way, who turns, who changes, who goes, who stops. There's nothing there to help you to say, okay, if the car on your right gets there first, then he goes first. You have to already know that, ahead of time. And in the way you drive will tell whether or not you understand the right of way, so you need to make sure that you understand.